You've seen it before, a shocking headline, a viral post, or a breaking story that turns out to be totally false. In a world where misinformation spreads faster than facts, can AI help us tell what's real and what's fake? Let's uncover how artificial intelligence is being used to fight fake news, and whether it's really working. Hi, I'm Cynthia, your friendly AI guide. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest digital battles of our time, AI versus misinformation. Can technology actually protect us from being misled online? Fake news isn't new, but AI has made it easier to create and harder to detect. Deepfakes, AI-written articles, and social bots can make lies look and sound incredibly convincing. Every day, millions of fake posts flood social media, shaping opinions, elections, and even public health decisions. It's not just misinformation, it's manipulation powered by machines. But here's the twist. AI isn't just the problem, it's also the solution. AI systems can now analyze text, images, and videos to spot patterns of deception. They check sources, compare claims to verified databases, and flag suspicious content within seconds. Platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and X, formerly Twitter, already use AI to detect deepfakes and remove false information faster than any human team could. For example, Google's fact-check tools and Microsoft's Content Authenticity Initiative use AI to verify where images and stories come from. Even newsrooms now use AI to cross-check quotes, timestamps, and metadata before publishing. So yes, AI is becoming a digital detective for the truth. But here's the problem. AI isn't perfect. It can still make mistakes, mislabel satire, or get fooled by cleverly designed fake data. And when humans rely too much on AI to tell them what's true, we risk losing our own critical thinking. That's why experts say AI should assist, not replace human judgment. So Taita, what do you think? Would you trust AI to decide what's true and what's fake? Or should that power stay with humans? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious to see where you stand. AI can help us fight misinformation, but truth still depends on us, the humans behind the screen. Because the smartest technology means nothing if we stop asking questions. Cynthia, on screen, smiling. Thanks for watching. Next time, we'll explore, can AI be trusted with our personal data? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And as always, stay curious and stay human.